These are a set of trimmed lower crash pads for the Triumph TR4 and TR4A models. These have been retrimmed in leather double top stitch covers and they feature the grab handle on the right hand crash pad there, which makes it for a left hand drive car. So you may have seen the earlier video where I showed you the customer's originals, which were in a sorry state, and then the aftermarkets moulded crash pads that he had sent to us, and we have now retrimmed these in parchment grained leather to match the rest of his full leather interior. So you can see here on the TR4s and TR4As, they had a grab handle on the passenger side. So we have developed covers that you retrim over the top of your originals ideally, or the aftermarkets moulded units, and trim it around. It's a bit of a pain to get a nice finish on there because of the strange grab handle elements of it. But as you can see, they come out very nicely there. So we can offer these covers in vinyl or in leather, and we can offer it without top stitching or with double top stitched, as per this one here. So the passenger side has this grab handle. The driver's side is a lot more straightforward. It doesn't have the grab handle on it, as you can see there. So it's trimmed all the way around. So see our website for details for the retrim kit, which we commonly sell. And if you really want us to retrim your ones, then obviously you can send them to us as well. We also offer a similar kit for the Dash Top Crashpad, as well as the switch plinth and the center console 8 frame. So see our website for more details.